The human brain hates a vacuum. Silence isn't just empty space, it's uncertainty. And in the world of power, uncertainty is danger. Stop shouting. When you answer with silence, you condemn them to the solitary confinement of their own mind. True power begins where words end. Stonewalling is the act of punishing someone by erasing their presence, a silence that cuts deeper than any blade. This is the shadow side. The loudest market is filled with the cheapest goods. As your words decrease, their weight increases. Power is knowing when to stay silent. Will you use it as a shield or as a sword? The choice is yours. Subscribe to protect your mind. This is the human protocol.